You can choose how much help you want managing your investments. Some people can find investing to be a bit of a hobby, and they enjoy spending more time than the average person reading, learning, and studying investing. Others prefer to let someone else do the heavy lifting. The good news is that it's not an all or nothing proposition. You can choose the level of help you want, and you can also change the level of help you get over time. Here's a simple analogy. Everybody eats food, but what we eat and how we get that food varies quite a bit. Some people might go to the grocery store and pick out individual ingredients and spend a bit of time making most of their meals from scratch. Other people might buy more pre-packaged meals that they just need to heat up in the oven or microwave. And other people might go out to restaurants or order in more than others. For the people who make all their meals from scratch, there can be different motivations to doing that as well. Some people just love to cook. Others do it because it might be the most cost-effective way to nourish themselves. When it comes to investing, the same logic applies. There are some investors who are passionate about investing and want to do it all themselves. Others want to keep their costs as low as possible. But some investors choose to have help too. Some just want a bit of help, and others want to completely delegate everything to a professional. Here are a few main options. DIY, or do it yourself. This option is the most hands-on. You would be responsible for setting up your investment strategy and placing your own trades online. The BMO Investor Line self-directed platform would be an example of a DIY option. Assisted DIY. The BMO Investor Line Advice Direct platform is an example of assisted do-it-yourself. You still place your own trades, but you have access to advice on your trading dashboard that lets you know if your overall portfolio is drifting out of your stated objectives and goals. You also have access to a licensed advisor by phone who can answer questions about your trades and provide advice. Robo-advice. Generally, a robo-advisor is an online portfolio management tool that creates a portfolio for you based on your stated goals. All you have to do is add money to the account, and the robo-advisor executes the trades and rebalances your portfolio automatically. At BMO, the Smartfolio platform is like an enhanced robo-advisor. Smartfolio uses a team of investment experts at BMO to create and monitor portfolios that are matched to your specific goals and objectives. Dedicated financial advisors. Some investors prefer to work with a dedicated financial advisor. There are a number of reasons for this. Some people are just more comfortable having a dedicated financial advisor to meet with. They may want financial planning advice on other areas of their finances, like life insurance and budgeting, for example, or it can often be a matter of time or comfort level. Generally speaking, the less assistance you choose, the lower the costs, with one caveat. More active traders will incur more trading commissions simply because they might be buying and selling stocks very often. Some people might start with a bit more assistance and then later on move to a do-it-yourself platform. Others might start with a do-it-yourself platform and later find that they don't have as much time or interest as they thought they might, and they'll add some assistance later. So it's important to know that no matter which platform you choose now, you can always change later.